What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. And before we get started today, I want to give a shout out to Cortina, also Kimberly, and also Khaled. Thank you guys so much for the blessings. I really appreciate you guys. So, first off, I just want to say we will be doing my mini wallet. We will be stuffing a little something in there. And y'all, I know I told y'all on the live that I was going to be going around Florida in a hurricane, but Will was like, absolutely not. He was like, because we can barely find gas. So he had to go to work today. And then, he was kind of right. Like, why am I going to be out there driving around trying to, do Uber Eats in the hurricane? Then we can't find gas, and then we run out the little gas. So I was just like, okay, God to make a way. And he did. Thank you so much, Kimberly. So today what I did, you guys, I prepped 3 meals. I'm washing right now as we speak, trying to get everything together so we'll have some already cooked food. And also me and Jayden cleaned out the garage so the cars can come in. And we just, it's raining now. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it started raining already. So y'all just keep my family in prayers. I'm going to do some batch videos, okay? I get my check on Thursday, so this batch of videos won't be including my check I get, okay? So what that means is I wanted to make batch videos because I don't know if we're going to lose power. So I did want to share some content with y'all. I probably will go live, and, I'm definitely going to keep y'all up to date and let y'all know, how I'm doing. If, I'm just going to let y'all know how I'm doing. But like I said, please, please continue to pray for me and my family. We need it, y'all. We need it. Okay, so let's get into this video. Today, we're going to be cash stuffing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. And I'm grateful for it. Thank you, Lord, for these blessings that I have received. I appreciate it. Okay, y'all. I'm going to turn this like this. Make sure we in frame. Yeah, we in frame. I had to pull old Rusty out. I said, I got to make sure I'm using this. But, like, I haven't had the money to use it. You know what I mean? So I'm just, y'all, ain't no promises being made this go around. I'm just going with the flow, okay? I don't, I'm just going with the flow. So gas is going to be getting $20. We're going to have 5, 10, 15, and then I get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope I did that right. So at least I had some money for some gas, and we're going to try to fill up again when he get off work. I hope my husband is safe because it's raining so hard, like right now. Not really, really hard, but it's really, it's like, and then the wind and stuff. But he had to go rescue some people that couldn't complete their routes. So, he coming straight home after. So here, I don't know if I wrote this down, but we're going to go straight to groceries, and then we'll see what we have left. So groceries, we're going to put a little bit in groceries. We're going to put 5, 10, 11, 12, because we went grocery shopping, and I just took money out of here. So Renzo can go get some, the little inserts, the packets that go inside the bottle of water. I like the pink lemonades. So he went to go get that and 2 4-packs of Faygo from the Dollar Tree. Just so they can have a little, some kind of soda. Not that we drink soda all the time. But, during this time, hey, if they want a soda, they can have a soda. That's okay with me. Okay, and then dining out. It's going to get $1 because, we just bought food. We've been buying food every day with the little money we have just to prepare, because the bridge card, the EBT, is all gone. Because that come at the end of the month. Like, not the end, like the 20th or something like that. So it's gone now. So we spending cash like every month. Okay, and here it's going to get which I'm not really thinking about my hair, y'all. I'm just making this content. My main thing, I wanted the stuff with gas, you know, and food too. But like I said, not even really food, y'all, because we already been grocery shopping. Like, and then we don't want to buy too much because, for obvious reasons, if the electricity go out, I don't want to have to worry about refrigerator food. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not really thinking about the refrigerator food. So we are going to put 1, 2, 3 in here. I think what I'm gonna do, y'all, I think I'm gonna do my other binder too, just so you know we can have a kind of longer video. So I'm gonna do my high priority binder with this one, and then we'll still have a couple of more videos to make. Okay, so now we're gonna get our high priority binder, which is this one here. Because one thing I realized, y'all, is that, truth be told, this is, I don't know what I was doing stuffing this. This is, I had it backwards, y'all. This is my low priority binder. Since we still paying rent and car and all that kind of stuff, we still paying that when we get our check. So that's not going to really be stuff that I stuff. Like my rent, like I have to put my portion on the rent when my check comes, but I'm going straight and get a money order. And then I'm going to go ahead and, you know, do it. If I have anything else to stuff, I'll be adding that. Okay? So, I know that I could have split this video up, but y'all, I've been cooking and cleaning. I deep cleaned my kitchen, and then, you know, just trying to prep. I still have to fold clothes, and y'all, your girl kind of tired, but it's all good because we got to get ready for this hurricane. I'd rather be prepared. You know, I don't want dirty clothes all in the house in case the power go out. I want all the clothes to be clean, at least in the whole house. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm working on now. Okay, y'all. So in our high priority binder, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's separate that. Oops. It's backwards. What was I doing? Okay, y'all. The money funny, honey. And I hope everybody is safe who is in Florida. Any of my subscribers, any content creators in our community, y'all. I'm praying for y'all, and I know y'all praying for me. Okay? We gonna make it through. We is gonna make it through, y'all. Okay, so the first one I'm going to stuff would be my emergency fund, and that will be getting $5. Thank y'all for my supporters. You know, thank y'all. So now my emergency fund has 5, 10, 15. Thank you to everybody who's ever sent me a gift, any financial blessings, or even just telling me, hey, checking in on me. My supporters who always checking in on me and know when I ain't been around. They be like, hey, how you doing? Hey, girl. And I be like, hey. Yeah, thank y'all, especially for checking on me. You know what I mean? Because sometimes that be the push you need to shake some stuff off, you know? And let's see, debt is going to be getting $5 as well. So that's 5, 10 now. So I appreciate that. I had so much fun with y'all on the live last night. It was such a good time. It was good talking to everybody. And, you know, I had the vent. I hope I ain't trauma dump on y'all. I was trying not to. I was trying not to, but I just hope I didn't, you know, I just hope it was good vibes for y'all as well. Okay. All right. Personal care will be getting $1. Dollars add up, baby. $1 plus $1 make $2, honey. And keep flipping it and flipping it and flipping it. You know, you got to hustle it. All right, keep flipping it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have $6 in personal care. It's moving right along. I'm just happy to have $1 in these bad boys. Transportation will be getting $1 today. Now it has 5, 6. And you guys, I will be the Apportum link is going to be in my description box. And you guys, I'm going to be sharing a copy, a screenshot. I think they added another $1 or something, because it depends on what you have in your account. In my account, Dry Like Toast, I think it was like $3 or something in there. And they took $1, okay? And I don't mind. So I'm going to be posting that screenshot too. Okay, and bills. Let me see. Transmit credit. Oh yeah, credit card bills. It's going to be getting $1. Even though I'm not paying anything right now, everything is in collections, and that's okay with me. But I do want to continue to save on it. You know, just start doing what I can, honey. You know, God bless this binder. So clothes will be getting $1. Would y'all rather have an empty binder or $1 in it? I'd rather have $1 in it. Okay, travel will be getting $1 as well. Making it $6. Yeah, that other video would have been just too short, y'all. I'm not like, it's okay. You know, I wanted my videos to be at least 10 minutes so I can make more money, truth be told. So that's a tip for y'all if y'all making content. Make sure your videos are at least 10 minutes. I know I tried with a bunch of other little videos and stuff like that, but I do see a difference in the earnings when it's over 10 minutes. You can get more ads in your videos, you know, for if it's over 10 minutes. That's just a quick tip, okay? So you guys, I'm going to definitely keep y'all posted on how I'm doing, how my family is doing, and everything like that, okay? So you guys stay safe and stay blessed, and keep us in y'all in y'all prayers as always. See you guys on the next video. Bye.